To use Debank cross-chain support, start by understanding what Debank is. Debank is a comprehensive crypto management platform that allows users to track their assets across multiple blockchains. Cross-chain support refers to the ability to manage and transfer assets between different blockchain networks. First, go to the Debank website and log into your account. If you do not have an account, create one by following the registration process. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you can view all your connected wallets and assets. To use cross-chain support, you need to connect your wallets from different blockchain networks. Debank supports a wide range of blockchains, including Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Polygon. Click on the Add Wallet button and select the blockchain network you want to connect. Follow the prompts to connect your wallet, which may involve entering your wallet address or private key. After connecting your wallets, you can start managing your assets across different blockchains. Debank allows you to track your asset balances, view transaction history, and monitor market prices. You can also use Debank to transfer assets between different blockchain networks. To do this, navigate to the transfer page and select the asset you want to transfer. Choose the source and destination blockchain networks and enter the amount you want to transfer. It is essential to note that cross-chain transfers may involve higher fees and longer processing times compared to transfers within the same blockchain network. Additionally, make sure to review the transaction details carefully before confirming the transfer. Best practices for using Debank cross-chain support include keeping your account and wallet information secure, regularly monitoring your asset balances and transaction history, and being cautious when transferring assets between different blockchain networks. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use Debank cross-chain support to manage your crypto assets across multiple blockchain networks.